Здравствуйте, меня зовут Валентина Васильевна, я из города Сыктывкара. Я буду читать отрывок произведения Николая Васильевича Гоголя «Невский проспект» на английском. No sooner do you step out onto Nevsky Prospect, that you are swept up in its endless promenade. You may have had some pressing business to attend to, but the moment you step onto Nevsky, you will forget all your commitments. This is the only place where you will find people going without any special reason, where they are driven neither by mundane need nor by the mercantile interest which pervades all St. Petersburg. The person you meet on Nevsky Prospect is likely to be less of an egoist than his counterpart on Morskaya, Гороховая, Литейная, Мещанская, and other streets, where you can read avarice, cupidity, and opportunism on the faces of the passers-by and those flying along in carriages and droshkis. Nevsky Prospect is St. Petersburg's main artery. Here the resident of the Peterburgskaya or Vyborgskaya districts, who has not visited his friend in Pesky or by the Moskovsky Gate for some time, may be sure of meeting him. No directory or inquiry bureau will furnish such accurate information as Nevsky Prospect. Nevsky Prospect is omnipotent. It provides the one entertainment in a city starved of relaxation. Where else will you see such cleanly swept pavements, bearing the imprint of so many feet? The muddy, clumsy boot of a retired soldier was impact seems to splinter the very granite and the tiny slipper. As light as a puff of smoke of a young mademoiselle who turns her pretty head to the sparkling shop windows as a sunflower to the sun, and the clashing saber of ambitions inside, which leaves a distinct scratch on its surface. Once on Nevsky, they are able to give vent to their particular strength, be it that of brute force or that of saddle weakness. It is like a dizzying magic lantern show, played out every single day and going through countless variations. Thank you very much. Goodbye!